Myntri Rangbah Kajala Konrad Ke Sangma Hakar Phoi Terik Unai Wing Ulahiar Namdong West Giant Hills District Banbu South Tylli Ki Mawnongrim Bakan Thup ka CNRD Block Bathamai Namdong Community Health Center ka Greater Muknang Lumrod Water Supply Scheme haka jinglut ka ba saupon riklur tengka ban pen bahaya ka surok jawai nar tiang kriap khanduli JNKK Road ka bajrong Sanpo khandai pen khandai spa khandai po san kilometer haka jinglut ka ba saupo klur tengka bat ya ka jing trei in sedang no hau no pra banwan halor ka jing play ki block bat civil subdivision uong ka sarkar ka perkhat banwan ra khamajan ya ka jing shakri na ka banta ka roi ka pa joki pal ba ka jala baro ka wei.
Under the Progress Mission, which is one of the major initiatives of this MDA government, in order to help the farmers and the people living in the rural areas to bring up their livelihood. So hence today's program and today's events are truly historic in nature, and a day that the people of Namdong area will remember for a very, very long time. And so many foundation stones where sanction has already been done and we expect the works to start. So a very, very memorable day for the people of this area.